And I bet many of you have never heard of this. How many of you in the West have called your girlfriend, girl, whatever? Hello everybody, beautiful windy day. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it is strong and it is nice. It feels great. So as you can see, we got a lot of stone delivered today, but it turned out this stone is too sharp. You don't want to step on it or anything. So this is actually going to get taken back away, and this is the new stone that is going to make the path all the way down here. As you can see, there is a ton of grass gone already. They're weeding like heck, getting rid of all of the weeds right from the roots. The fence over here has been done, not down at the end yet, but they did clear out right along the beach line too quite a bit. But as you can see, this is the mesh here to keep the dog from being able to leave and other dogs from being able to come in. There's a little spot down there we're gonna have to fill in, but we're trying to make it so that he can't escape anymore. And they're gonna do this trim, as you can see right here. Actually, that's how they're doing it, like that. So using bamboo strips that are fastened in and framing the whole thing. And we're even talking about, if we have extra, we're going to do another piece up to that point there. But again, it's an empty lot, so it's not that important other than having dogs come in and everything. So this is going to be our temporary until they actually finish the wall. That I just said, okay, screw it. I went and bought this stuff, 30-meter roll of it, and got this done immediately. So my dog can actually enjoy everything. But yeah, so these are all getting done right now, and some weeding's going on, and then they're going to do that mesh along the back fence as well, and get this path done, everything. It's not going to take long, a couple days. The house part, you know, it's done. We just needed to decorate now, essentially. I got the TV up just now and measure it here for the couch just to make sure, because we did look at a few sofas. We're going to do like an L shape like this. This table's going outside. We're going to tarp it for now and get a more narrow table that we'll use for dining and stuff like that, with some stools at it, that kind of thing, and really use a lot of the space, because this is taking up way too much room and it makes the whole place look cluttered. But yeah, everything looks really nice. I'm happy. All the gaps have been filled and sealed. There's no more gaps anywhere. And up here we just have, well, some cleaning to do, but the only thing that has to be done still up here is a step. I told them, guys, you got to give me a step that's too much for Lara, and don't mind how dirty it is at the moment. But you can see our shower head's in, hot water heater's in, and this is in. We have a faucet now. All right, so it has to be all cleaned, obviously, which we'll take care of that. We've got our bum gun, of course. And we have to put in, I guess, a mirror probably we'll put in here too. We're gonna put screen, actually, not even window. There's no point. Why have a window? So we'll probably just do some screening or something like that. You can buy it, and then you put a strip of Velcro on both sides, and you can actually screen this whole thing in if you really want to. But it's an outdoor type, indoor-outdoor type thing, right? So, but yeah, this is not bad. I really like this. They did a good job. Nice and clean and finished, and price is right. This is all roofed in up here too, and we have our privacy fences on both sides. So the only gap is this one right here, which is not too bad at all. We're happy. At the end of the day, that's what matters, right? And yeah, so we're gonna do it on our own. We're gonna do the generator on the other side, and we're going to do the air conditioner, which we'll just do in stages. For now, we just want to, I think we're going to decorate and use fans, because it's really cool right now. Like, the breeze is great. It blows right through this place. So, but it's not good for electronics long term and everything too. So eventually we will be closing it out and putting in the air conditioning. But for now, I think we're going to be okay with this. So yeah, more cleaning to come, as you can see. I think there's still stuff everywhere, but it'll be all gone eventually. The washing machine, she wants it here. This way it's always shielded in here. And then we have a drainage system here already for the water. It'll just run right down. And then we've got these hooks here I put in last night myself. One there, all three here, and then underneath here, so that we can hang laundry, 2 laundry lines here, so she can hang clothes to dry even if it rains. Will be good. and we don't have to do it on our upstairs balcony because it's a pain in the butt. It really is. We want to enjoy the view when we're up there, and right now, yeah, we got our clothes hanging up there. It's looking good. Looking good. They still got to put the hooks here. They're going to put hooks there and there, so we can put our canvas roof here, so that this is all shaded as well. One step at a time, but it's going good. I always forget how amazing the ocean is and how beautiful it all is. We have rain coming. Oh, there's a coconut I stepped on in there. Yeah, we got rain clouds coming, so we're trying to get our swim in now. It's nice over there. I don't think it'll last too long. Oh, and Gatorade, not alcohol guys, Gatorade, served in an icy beer mug. Nice. Yeah, you can see the rain now coming over that island there. But somebody's having a blast, right, Lara? You having fun? Yeah. Where's our swimsuit? And we were just talking, like, why don't we go swimming more often? We really need to. Like, we live on the ocean. We have a bar on the ocean. No excuses. She's in it all the time. We're usually just standing here. Anyway, so Monday. We decided starting Monday. Because what better way to exercise shoulders and neck and everything else, all the real good muscles actually, by swimming. So we're gonna get her a life jacket so we can bring her out there and we can just do some swimming. Could be fun. I'm actually okay with this because as long as it's done by dinner time, that's when things get busy for us. It's like dead right now. There's not, I don't think we have a single customer. We don't. Not right now. Middle of the afternoon though. And as you can see, because of the weather, there's not much people out pretty much anywhere. Wow! Tomorrow morning, we have a beach cleanup. It's going to start at 6:30 in the morning over at the Bye Bye. And we're going to be doing a beach cleanup all the way down. Now, we're not the organizers, so we're just joining in. But I believe it only goes as far as the businesses. They're only planning it to that white wall over there. So that's where we're going to be doing a beach cleanup tomorrow morning at 6:30 in the morning. Any of our staff want to join, they can join, but we are going to go even though we will only have a couple hours of sleep. At least one of us will only have probably a couple hours sleep. But then we'll do that and then go to bed after, whoever the other person is. We take turns closing, so. Beach life. Not a horrible life, right? I just think of all the times in Canada with the -50 and I'm like, okay, I'm happy, very happy. Are you? Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Wow, can you look more happy? Very happy.
I'm very happy.
You're a good actress, wow. Academy Award right there.
Angel of Sin.
Woo! Wow, the rain is fat. Big, big, thick blobs of rain. Everybody's still out in the water though. There's quite a few people still out there. Look at you, getting a shower? Having a shower in the rain? Well, you're already wet. What's the difference? Woo, that's a lot of rain right there. Wow. And she's loving every bit of it. Don't fall, girl. I don't know why you think you need a foot wash. You're in the rain. There's still people out there in the water too. You like it? Yeah. Everybody, I want you to meet Dolly. Say hi, Dolly. Hi, Dolly. In here watching kids' cartoon, although it's frozen up right now. We paused it to do this. So we had a very interesting and cute conversation tonight. And I bet many of you have never heard of this. How many of you in the West have called your girlfriend, girl, whatever, wife, did you ever call her Pookie? You know, oh, Pookie, or whatever, right? Term of endearment. You can Google it. Well, in the Philippines, apparently it means something else. What does it mean, Kat?
Pookie is a pussy.
Whoa! So before you go calling your significant other in the Philippines a Pookie, you should probably know what you're going to be calling her, okay?
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Be careful with your words.
Yeah, and apparently then we learned something else, another word in the Philippines. So this,
Tits?
tits, okay. What does that mean in the Philippines?
In Tagalog is your dick.
Wow. So another one, there you go. If you say, like, hey, show me your tits, you're going to get something else. Anything's possible, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, we had a fun evening. But this young lady is actually going to close. And I was wrong, by the way. So if you guys want to join us for the beach cleanup, it's actually on the 31st. So you can join us at the Bye-Bye, 6:30 in the morning on the 31st. It's not tomorrow, I was wrong. And yeah, we're going to have a couple of our staff come as well in full uniform. We'll put our beaver shirts on. Yeah. And we'll be out there cleaning up with everybody else. So come and join us if you're here in Roxas City down at the beach. So we'll start at People's Park and make our way down towards the beaver. And then you know what? We'll turn the coffee on or something. We're not open, but we'll turn the coffee on if you want to come in. And we can all have coffee. We won't even charge you, because if you come out and clean, we will give you coffee, no problem. Sound good?
Free.
Free of charge, right? Free coffee, free coffee. Come and have some free coffee with us, but you have to come and clean the beach with us. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for joining.
Bye-bye.
My little Pookie.
Thanks.
All right, you want to say goodbye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay! All right, we can put our show back on now.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.